Okay guys, today we are going to be creating GodMode on the computer. Most people have been asking me concerning this GodMode thing. They said you usually hear people talk about the GodMode on the computer. Okay, the GodMode on the computer is basically creating a file or shortcut file that will take you straightly to all of your setting within the computer. Creating a file that will take you straightly to all of your setting in the computer. So what we're going to do here is we're going to create the GodMode. All right, so to create a GodMode, the first step is to create a new folder. So create a new folder already. There's the new folder you can see on my desktop here. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to rush over quickly to my notepad, and in the notepad here you are seeing this long string here. You are seeing the long text, right? You are seeing GodMode dot with a long character here. All right, so do not worry about it. All right, don't try memorizing it. Okay, don't try memorizing it. To be honest, when I was coming up in computer science, I tried memorizing this. I had it off here. I had everything off here, but I don't want you to do it. All right, because it will benefit you nothing to just know it off here like that. All right, basically you just need to know the step, the process, and the code to enter. All right, you can get the code anytime that you need it. All right, so we're going to copy this code shortly. After copying it, we're going to head back here to our new folder and rename the folder. So rename the folder, and then we Control V, we enter everything into it and press enter. Once you press enter, the GodMode have been created. If you see here, you are saying this have been changed from our regular folder to this icon. All right, so if we double click on the icon, it will take us straightly to our setting. What we see: administrative tools, we see audio play, we see a backup and restore window, we see all of these things, build, drive, encryption, date and time. All of our settings are here. All right, you don't need to be putting yourself here and there. You see mouse setting, network sharing, everything they are here. Okay, this is what we refer to it as the GodMode, because it takes you to a place where you find all of your settings you want and you can play with them. All right, so the next thing we're going to be doing, we're going to get rid of this and we're going to create the GodMode using the command line. All right, in the command line. So I will delete this shortly. I will delete it now. Our GodMode have gone. So I will open the command line quickly. In this, now to access the command line, you have to press Window plus arrow. You will see the small dialog box, and then you can tap in a CMD, and then you enter the command line. After entering the command line, I want to create the GodMode on the desktop. So the first thing I have to do, I have to access the desktop, right? I say CD desktop. Now I'm into the desktop already. All right, after entering to the desktop, the next thing I have to do is to create the GodMode. All right, so I have to make directory and name the directory as the code that we had already. So I say mkdir and paste the entire code that we copied. All right, now you can see everything up there. After pasting the code, I press enter. It tells me that the GodMode have been created. Now if I ask now to see the GodMode, I can say dir, so it will show me all of the directory, and then I can cd into this directory GodMode. All right, and paste it there and cd into it. Now I'm already into it. When I ask it to start, if I start it, what will happen? You see here now, after starting this, it opened up another string for me to go through. All right, so the GodMode have been created. If we head back to the desktop, all right, we will see it there. All right, we'll see it now. Here is it. Okay, so if we double tap on it, it will take us to the same place. So guys, that's just it. That's 100% it for creating GodMode on your computer. All right, so stick on, subscribe to us, and see how best we can get things done together. So thank you very much.